Alright guys, let's get started. So welcome for a new tutorial. So today we try to progress on the arcade game we're trying to do. So it's gonna be with Raspberry Pi, RetroPie and all that type of thing. So we're trying to make a case for all the DIY component about for the arcade game. Here we're talking about 6 buttons and a joystick. So you can see a picture of it here, so you can get that on Amazon. So if you want me to put a link in the description, I can do that for you too. So it's not that much expensive. I think for, if I'm correct, for less than 30 bucks you can have all of that and even more than that. Alright, so let's get started. So we're trying to do a case, and so I designed it on this software called Freecad we have here. It's a free software. You can find it online on freecad.org. And when we do that, so we transform that file, and so we can have it to be cut on a laser cutter. So that's the final goal on that thing. Alright, so let's get started. So you can go and download that software. It's free, and when you open it, so you're gonna have that that home page, and you're gonna need to go there and choose a sketcher. So you choose sketcher here. So when you choose sketcher, you see that you have nothing, right? So you see you have nothing. So you go here and you click on new. So we have new, all right, and you click on it, all right, and you click on sketch. I'm sorry, sketch. Let me remove that thing. All right, and you can choose the plane. So let's start with, you have the plane here, like X, Y, Z, and you can choose whatever you want. So let's choose XZ. Yeah. And let's get started. So here we have plane, so we can add a grid to it. That would be helpful for us to work with. So I have already took all the dimensions that are required. So I want to say also for the size of the buttons, and also gonna make the hole in the medium. So for the buttons, I took a look. It was like 2.9 centimeters for diameter. So you can, for those of you that feel good with inches, you can convert that in inches. All right, so I need 6 of them. So I put one here, I click on here, another one here. So we try to work around that origin point here. Here, there we go. So now I want to have all of them to have a diameter of 2.9 centimeters. So I select all of them and I do all that at the same time. So this is how I do it. I click on Control, hold it down, select all of them, and this is what will be done. And I put all of them at 2.9 centimeters for the diameter. If I'm correct, that's it. Diameter. Let me put 29. All right. There we go. So if you take a look at it, you see all of them are all the same size. So I just cut them and put them on the side. So I enjoyed that time to do the other one too. Hey guys, it's been a couple of years since I've done that. So I may not do all the things correctly. I mean, you know, like a more professional way, but yeah, give me some time so I get back to it. But yeah, a couple of years ago I was much better than that. Anyway, well, that's being said, now I want to do the case for the pattern for the joystick. So I click here, rectangle. I do a rectangle like this. All right, and on one side it will be 72 millimeters. So I click here and pick that one. So I put it at 72. Here we go. And on that side it will be I want to say, what was it, 67 67 millimeters. So alright, 67 millimeters. Click on OK. So I tried to put the origin. I try to put it in the middle. Alright. So for that, see what I do. I click here and here. I want it to be in the middle. So that's 72 millimeters. So that brings us to 36 millimeters. Alright, so I do that. I put 36 here. Alright, so put a constraint and 72 millimeters, and I put the constraint here too. There we go. I put a constraint between this and this on the height. So it's 67 millimeters. So that brings us to 30, 32, 33, 33.5 millimeter. Alright, something like this. Correct me if I'm wrong. 33.5. Alright. 33.5 millimeters. There we go. It's all done. That's what it looks like. Alright guys, so I need to make those little notch on the side here. So what I tried to do this. There you go. Let me add a dot here. Let me pick one of them. Let me see where it is. Let me put one here. Let me put another one here. There you go. I want this to be on this. Let me put a constraint here. Everything is to be done. Voila. I want this to be on this. Let me put the constraint here. Alright. I want this point to be at 2.5 millimeters from here. This and this. 2.5 millimeters. Alright. Let me do that. 25 millimeters. Not 2.5 centimeters. 25 millimeters. And this one from this one, I want it to be at 2 centimeters. I can do that. Same thing here. Put it at 20. There we go. What I do now, I can remove this. And I just grab something from here. You understand? I'm trying to, this can be done easier way, but as I said to you, it's been a long time since I used that, so I don't quite remember everything. But alright, you can get started from there. I can do the job anyway. Now let me do that. So I want to have that little notch here. Alright, there we go. And I want to remove that part here. So let me click on that, and I can click on I think it's this. Let me see, what's the name of this? Extend edge, trim edge. I want to remove that. Alright, cool. We're good here. I want to have also the side of this to be 3 millimeters. Alright, 3 millimeters. Good job. So we can read it here. I want this and this to be together. Let me see, I think it's this. Alright. Let me see if I can move this. No, I can't move this, so it's constrained. That's good. Alright, so let me see. Alright, I need to put that at 3 millimeters too. We don't have a constraint here. Alright, we're good. 3 millimeters. I think it could have been done, easier way, but hey, that's what we have for now. I need to practice a bit more, but it's been a long time, as I said to you. Let me put that back in the middle. So you see my square is really in the middle. Alright. So we do the same thing we've done here. I got 2 of those points. Put them here. Okay, up. Click here. click here. Alright, pick this, I choose, click on that, pick this, I click on that, okay, yep, yeah, delete one, click on that, you're done. So now I try to put a constraint from here to here, so it will be 2.5 millimeter, 25 millimeter, I'm sorry. Alright, gonna be 25. Okay, can do that. From here to here, it's gonna be 20 millimeters. Here, and take that one, constraint vertical. Alright, what's happening? There you go. 20 millimeters. Voila. Can leave it here. So I remove this and grab this and this. Put it here. Grab this and this. Put it here. Alright then. From now I need to do the same thing like here. That little notch. So let me just grab this. Alright, something like that. Maybe we just do it this way. There we go. Let me zoom in. Grab this. I want it to be constrained. Good job. I want those to be 3 millimeters. Click on that. 3 millimeters. Last time I checked, I think this one was, I needed to put it there too. Escape this. Alright, let me go back there, sketch. This can happen. And to remove this, so I need to trim this. Alright, that's what it looks like. What's happening all the time? Let me remove this. I don't need this. I think maybe I can. Alright, anyway, that's not most important right now. I think it's constrained. Let me see, still moving. Alright, so I need to put it at 3 millimeters. Alright, I think we are constrained now. There we go. So you won't move. There we go. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like. Now I need to put some constraint with those. I want them to be at a certain height and a certain height, so I can put it like this. So let's do the same thing again. Oh, let's put them at like 25. Let's say 25, or even 30. Let's try 30 first. Okay, 30 is good. I want to put them all at 30. I think I can do it. You know, if I need to do all of this repetition, but I don't quite remember how to do that. So you understand what I mean. 30. 30 millimeters. There we go. 30. Alright. 30 millimeters. Alright, so I also want to put a distance between these and the center. Alright, let's see what works better. I think, let me see, let's put 80. Alright, 80. No, maybe not. Let's put 70. 75. Alright, let's put that here. Let's do the same thing for these two. There you go. So I also want to put a distance between each of them here, and yeah, that sounds reasonable to do. Let's put I don't know, 40 millimeters. All right. Between this one and this one too, let's put 40 millimeters. Voila. Let's do the same here too. It will be all constrained, you know. 40 millimeters. This one and this one. 40 millimeters. Voila. So you can see it's all going, so we all constrained. So that's a good thing. And now let's make a frame. So all of that gonna be in that. So the laser cutter is going to cut all of this. So gonna need to go here, take this tool, rectangle, and do something like this. Alright, where should I put it? Maybe around here. Alright, gonna be something like this. How many millimeters should I put there? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, something like that. To 29 to 30 by 118 millimeters. Alright guys, that's what we got. I think we're done here. So I think guys, you can see what it looks like. That's something like this. So I just I'll say that I just transform that into SVG or DXF. That's a type of file that the laser cutter understands, and from there will be cutted. So I also go to the laser cutter, so I show you what I be doing there, and you see how the machine works as well. And you know, so when we done that, after that, you know, I wire the joysticks, the joystick with the buttons in the Raspberry Pi. So that would be one phase, and the other phase I install the RetroPie on the. I'll show you how to install RetroPie on the Raspberry Pi, and we put games there when we play. So that's gonna be how DIY hardcore game. So not too hard to do, not easy either, but it's still a good way to go and have fun, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So please comment, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot. That helps a lot. So if you can support a way, that's one way to go. Alright guys, thank you. See you another time. Bye bye.